Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I definitely am still looking at this as a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. Most wave 3s do go to the 161.8% Fibonacci extension, which is why I'm definitely still bullish. I still think that we're in a wave 3 and that it still needs to go up and finish the 3, make a wave 4, and make a wave 5 just to finish the trend that started right here. So basically that tells me that we're anywhere from 6 to 8 months to maybe a year or more away from this actually ending this uptrend. Going down to the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as a wave 1, a wave 2. I think this is all just subdivisions of a wave 3. I think this right here is nothing more than a correction to that wave 3, and I still think it's going to make its way up to the 161.8, right around the $2,550 area to finish the wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, there's definitely a few different options that we can see here. My original thought was that this was an A, this was a B, and that we're in a wave C. We had a break of structure last week that looked like it was going to try to end the wave C, but then it rejected structure and kept going down. If this is a wave C at this point, it probably is going to have to stretch out quite a bit more to finish off the wave C before it actually continues the uptrend. The other option is that this right here is supposed to be the top and that this is actually an A, a B, and a C. And if that's the case, then it would likely bounce off a fib level and just continue the uptrend. So we definitely should be able to tell a difference between a C and a 3. If it's a 3, it's likely to stretch out like this. If it's a C, then it's likely to turn at the 78 or the 100% Fibonacci extension. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we definitely have three waves down right now, and like I was just explaining, we're either in a wave 3 or a wave C. If it's a wave C, then it will definitely break structure at a Fibonacci level, likely the 78 or the 100, maybe end up doing something like this. If you see that picture right there, then it's definitely a wave C, and you definitely need to get out of your shorts and go long for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it goes up, makes a Fibonacci bounce, doesn't make a break of structure, goes down, makes a Fibonacci bounce, doesn't make a break of structure, and just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, then you know that you're in a wave 3, and you should just keep on looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely looks like we are getting ready to break structure on the 1 hour, but that is definitely not going to tell me this trend is over. I honestly would like to see a break of structure. Then I would like to see a proper 1, 2, 3 pullback. If I see a break of structure, then I see a 1, 2, 3 pullback, and then especially if it bounces off a Fibonacci level, breaks structure to the downside, then that's exactly what I would be looking for an entry to go short for a continuation of the downtrend. I am definitely looking for shorts at least until the 4 hour time frame or the daily time frame tell me that this really is the end of a wave C. Or if it just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, that's going to prove to me that it's not a wave C and that it's actually a wave 3. If it's a wave 3, then we'll just keep on looking for shorts at the end of every pullback we see, and we'll just enjoy the trend and all the profit that we achieve from trading with the trend in a wave C correction. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website if you'd like to get access to my daily swing trades and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.